Welcome to Georgia Mountain Coaster. This is a thrilling experience in downtown Helen, Georgia, and a really fun one for kids and adults. So let me show you around. So this is the aerial view of Helen that you will see from the boarding area. And then this is where you are going to be getting on the individual ride cars. Now, up to 2 people can fit in each car. There are height and weight requirements, so be sure to check those out before deciding to go to this attraction. So we are going to be filming from the very moment that we leave the platform until the very moment that the coaster ride is ending and we get off the platform. So you will be holding here for just a moment, and then from this point on, you are going to be going up a hill. You cannot control the speed at this point. It is a slow ride that goes all the way up to the top of the hill. So I'll take this moment to give you a few more details, and then you can watch the point of view video and hear what it is like to go down the tracks. Now, keeping in mind, you cannot have any bags or backpacks on this ride, so be sure to keep them in your car and don't bring them to the coaster. Now, while I was filming this, I was actually going quite slow. You can control the speed with the brakes, so you can either go really fast or you can go like I did and go really slow. I was doing that because I do have some neck problems and I just wanted to be really careful. What I found was that the coaster itself did not have any problems specifically for me because I was controlling the speed. What I didn't like though is that when you are in the loading platform, your car is being bumped by the cars behind you, and that actually was a problem for me. You are allowed to bring your phone onto the coaster and film along this approximately 1 mile track that goes through the woods, and so that is quite fun. And keep in mind that the cost currently at time of filming is $17 per adult. It is cheaper for kids, and if you decide to go again, that second ride is going to be half off. So that is all the information you need to know. From here on out, just enjoy what it's like to ride the Georgia Mountain Coaster. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Be sure to see all of our Helen, Georgia area videos that I will link in the description below.